Hi, I'm Lisa Anderson with this week's Supply Chain Byte. As manufacturers ramp it up, reshore, because there's favorable policies, heightened risk levels, and they want to get ahead of the competition, the key question on every executive's mind is, where am I going to get the talent? Now, the good news is that as they reshore and expand manufacturing facilities and vertically integrate, they're going to be automating and digitizing everything possible. So low-skilled talent will not be as required as it used to be. However, we are going to have a need for even more high-skilled talent. So you're going to have to get your act together and make sure that you are doing three things. Number one is you need to be retaining your top talent. Look in your organization, you're probably overlooking somebody who's really valuable. Make sure you're developing them, setting them on a career path, and keeping them. Number two, look for talent that your competition lets go or that leaves because, they go through a tough time, and invest in talent when no one else is. And number three, you can no longer hire talent to meet your needs. You're going to have to build it. So train and develop your talent, and success will follow.